all about skincare. So today I'm doing my in-depth facial routine for you guys. Hi guys, welcome to my bathroom. My name is Yetsia Lamide Adeburn, and welcome back to Living Life with Your Favorite Nurse. So if you guys want to learn about how to do a DIY facial at home, learn about some of my favorite products to use, and how to facial steam at home, this is the video for you. So like I said on Instagram, this month will be all about skincare. So this routine that I'm going to do for you guys today, it's not a routine that I do all the time. I'll try to do it maybe a couple times per month. Definitely it's an in-depth routine, so it's not something that you're going to probably do on your way to work. But one, you can use it to relax and also get your skin right, which is all, what we need. Who doesn't want to have a facial from the comfort of their own home? Let me show you guys how to do it. So first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna start by cleansing our face. I am in love with Neutrogena. Sometimes I can have sensitive skin. I don't know why. So this Neutrogena daily cleanser, fragrance free, is also for people with sensitive skin, is my favorite to cleanse my face. So let's start. So I just start by wetting my face, and then I just put a little bit on my hand and rub through. I love this product so much just because I'm not really into putting so much fragrance on my face because sometimes I feel like it irritates my face, but this product does not. Guys, this is my steamer. I'm gonna try to show it to you guys. I got this steamer off Amazon. I love it so much. You guys will see how I steam my face at home. It's pretty amazing. This steamer was pretty affordable. I think it was like maybe less than $40, and I'll show you guys how it works. So basically it kind of just steams your face. If you've ever had a facial done, this is usually what they use. So the reason why facial steam is because it actually opens up your pores when you want to do a facial or when you want to clean your skin. The reason why you want to open up your pores is because you want to get everything out of there. If you want to put stuff in, you want to make sure that your pores are clean, you want to make sure that they're empty, and you also want to prepare your face for everything that you're going to put inside of it. But basically I just let it steam my face, and it kind of helps the cleanser go into my skin more, and it honestly just feels so good. Honestly, if you can get a steamer, your life will be changed. I'm not kidding. That feels so good. Okay, I'll move that aside. So after I steam my face, basically I just want to get off all the cleanser from my face now. I'm gonna turn this off because it's in my way. Basically now I'm just taking off the cleanser from my face. Alright, so the cleanser's off my face now. Next thing that I want to do is scrub. So I've opened up my pores, I've kind of gotten a little bit of dirt out, but now I want to exfoliate. That's the second thing that we want to do. And now this one is a little bit rougher than the simple face cleanser that we use. So again, I'm back with Neutrogena because I love their stuff. This is the Hydro Boost collection. Some of you guys might have heard of it, it's pretty popular. I love this because it's oil-free, it's paraben-free, it's really, really good for your skin. It's good for oily skin, it's good for combination skin, and it's good for dry skin. So I'm gonna put this on my face. So if you guys know me, I live off Amazon. I buy everything off Amazon. I have kind of this facial cleanser brush that I use. It's kind of a dupe of the Vanity Planet. I'll try to remember, it's called Fancy actually. Maybe I'll put a link. I think it's probably just as great as the Vanity collection. It comes with other removable disc thingies to wash your face. I love it. So basically when it comes to exfoliate my face, I just let this go right through. And this is kind of a harder So now I'm just gonna wipe this off with my sponge. Okay, we're set. So the next thing that I do is I tone my skin, and I love using the Murad hydrating toner. Toner basically kind of just refreshes your skin, and it also helps the pH balance in your skin. It also prepares your skin for all the moisturizer and serums that we're gonna put on it. So with the Murad toner, I just kind of spray my face. I shake it. And then I just kind of let it sink in my skin. So the next thing that I do is I use the Aztec Health and Beauty face mask. This is an amazing face mask. It has minerals in it, and it's a face mask that actually helps bring out all the toxins in your skin, which is awesome for what we want to do. I don't use a face mask all the time because it can be a little bit hard on your skin, but definitely when I do this at-home facial and things like that, I definitely use a mask, and I love this mask. Basically, I just apply it to my face. And then I just let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Depending on what type of skin you have. For delicate skin, it says 5 to 10. And then for normal skin, it says 15 to 20, but I don't play with my skin. So I will do 5 to 10. Yeah, that's it. So 5 minutes went by. Now I'm just gonna take my handy dandy sponge and wipe the excess off. Oh, where did my voice go? And wipe the excess off, and then kind of just wash it off myself. I look cuter doing this, but I don't. Oh shoot. So my nose ring always falls out when I wash my face. Where it went, I have no idea. I have lost so many nose rings to my drain, to my shower. Oh my god, it is ridiculous. Well, hopefully I find this one. And now just do a really good rinse in the sink to make sure everything's off. Oh, if you knew how my face felt, it's amazing. It feels so soft. Alright, so now I'm moving on to my serum. I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you can't, sorry. So that's my Drunken Elephant serum. It is really good. I just kind of put a little bit on my hand. Not that much. Oops. You guys can't see it. Anyways. And I just kind of lather it on to my face. Some people put it directly on their face like that. I'm just not coordinated enough for that stuff. So just lather it into your skin. Basically that's a vitamin C serum, and that is just really good to protect you from the sun. And it also just kind of gives you a brighter look to your face. Maybe not overnight, but as you continue to use it, you'll just notice that your face looks more brighter and it just has more life. But already, oh, wow. Next thing I do is I move on to my Claw de Lis. Eye cream is just really good to help hydrate underneath your eyes. It also gives you the look that you're more awake. It also helps to reduce wrinkles and things like that underneath your eyes. It's also really good under makeup. It actually helps set your concealer really well. And it helps it to not move, which is kind of pretty awesome. I've been at this for a while. Damn. We're almost there, guys. Yeah, we're almost there. I'm also just gonna use, you guys know I love Neutrogena like crazy. I'm also gonna use this Neutrogena serum. Absolutely amazing. This serum helps keep all the moisture in your skin, and it helps add moisture to your skin. This serum is good for people with oily skin and without oily skin, with combination skin, because it has hyaluronic acid. Basically keeps moisture in your skin. also just kind of keeps the water that your skin needs, and it keeps your skin hydrated. Oh, wow. That feels so good. And last but not least, we're gonna end it with Neutrogena Hydrogel. This one is for extra dry skin. I feel like everybody can use it. It adds so much moisture to your skin. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. Just put a little bit on my cheek. I was in a little bit, whoops. And I just rub it in to my face. Again, that has hyaluronic acid as well, which is absolutely amazing for your skin. If you find anything with hyaluronic acid in it, use it. You won't regret it. And just also rub it on your neck as well, because like you don't want your neck to be dry and your face is so moisturized. Okay, we are just about done. One last thing, I lied. Last thing I'll do is use my Mario Badescu. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I do. So usually I use the green one after a facial, but I really do love this one. It has lavender in it, and it kind of just keeps you all calm. My friend Tommy recommended this to me, and I've been on it ever since, and my friend Yvette also uses it, so my girls use it. So I really just spray it onto my face like this, and I let that sink in. And last thing I do is just make sure my lips are moisturized, because chapped lips are a sin. There. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. That is basically my at-home facial routine for dewy and clear skin. This is kind of the results. I feel really, really good. Taking care of your skin shouldn't be like something that you have to do. It should be something that you want to do, and trust me, when you start doing it, you will feel so good after. I know this routine was in depth, so it's not something that I do all the time, but definitely if you also want to treat yourself, try doing it once or twice a month, and I'm telling you, your skin will love you for it. Please share, subscribe if you already haven't subscribed, like, and leave me some comments as well. I hope you guys have an absolutely blessed week. Thank you for tuning in, and keep living life from your favorite nurse.